Hey and welcome to this tutorial when we will learn about tags. So what is a tag or git tag? For example, a git tag we will have when we develop an application. For example, we have the front end and the back end. And a tag, it's like the commit message, but for example, if we want to specify, for example, a tag for the backend and a tag for the front end. So to create a tag, we use command git tag and the name of the tag. For example, my tag. We hit enter. So now if we want to see like the list of log, git log, let's decorate it, one line, then we use graph and decorate and all. So as we see, the tag is linked, or it's stick with the last commit we did. And if we want for example to delete that tag, it's with the command git tag dash d. If we keep it that way, it will delete all the tag. But let's before delete it, let's see it. It would command git tag dash dash list, and it shows us the tag we have. Now let's delete it. Git tag dash g and the name of the tag, it's my tag. Let's delete it. Now let's see the list and it's empty. That's mean we're deleted. There is another option of how to create a tag. For example, let's create another one. List tag name, git tag dash a, the name of the tag, for example version 1, and we can put a message, for example first version of the project. We hit enter. What? Yeah, because I need dash m for the message. Now if I hit enter, it will work. Yeah. So now let's see the logs with git logs. Hit enter and see, now we see in version 1. For example, if we have a lot of version, it will be more visible and more clean to the one who read it. For example, this is version 1. If we have been create another tag, it will, for example, shows us here the tag on the version, or for example here it can be, for example, front end or back end. So that's what tags are for. This is all for the video. See you in next.